guys, today I'm here at Rallystar in Hammanskraal and I'm going to be learning how to rally. Why? Because over the seasons, what have I done? Karting, I've done motorcycling, I've driven trucks, I've gone on 4x4 off-road tracks, but one thing I haven't learned is rallying. So that's what I'm going to learn today. Come with me.
For those of you who don't know, rally is a form of motorsport that takes place on public or private roads with specially built road legal cars. It's considered to be an extreme sport because of the intensity that goes into driving over 200 kilometers per hour on a stretch of dirt road. It's powerful and I for one couldn't wait to get started.
Leon, hi.
Hi, Shibu.
How are you?
All right, and you?
I'm fantastic. I understand you are somewhat of a legend when it comes to rally, so I thought I'd come and have a chat with you.
Great, it's so nice having you here.
So now tell me, I'm very inexperienced when it comes to rallycross, you know, in terms of motorsports. So there's 4x4 off-roading and there's rally. So what is the difference?
Well, basically your difference between off-road and rallying is that your off-road vehicles are much more specialized to handle rough stuff.
Okay.
Your rally cars these days are more sprint cars on dirt. So there's a huge difference between the driving styles and the vehicles itself.
So you were talking about drivers internationally. Have you trained anybody that we would know?
Yeah, the strange thing, yes, there's a few that you would know. I wouldn't mention any name. The big thing of drivers is they never admit being trained.
Sure.
They know everything from the start.
All right, well, I'm hoping that you'll be able to teach me a thing or two.
I hope so.
Whoa, well,
Yes,
before you learn alone, I heard you were here. Hi, Leon.
Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you, I'm Zipporah.
What are you doing here, Zipporah?
I mean, I couldn't resist a bit of competition. I heard you were here, coming to learn some rallying. I thought, why not?
Fine.
Let's do it.
So Leon, what's the track going to look like?
Look, we're going to drive a variety of roads and conditions. The track has been designed so that I can train people. So there's quite a lot of things that you need to learn today.
Wow.
But before we go any further, I want to say there's only two rules. If I say you're too fast, I want you immediately to bring down the speed.
Okay.
The next rule is that if you go off the road or you do anything that can break the car, I'm going to give you a warning.
Okay.
Second warning, you're going to walk back from where we are at that moment and I will drive waving at you.
Well, Leon, it sounds like we do have a lot to learn, but first, can you tell us about navigation?
Yeah, have a seat and I'm going to show you all about it.
Navigation plays a crucial role in rallying. You have to be able to visualize the course in your mind, which is where your navigator comes in. The first thing Leon taught us was the different angles which represents turns and corners approaching throughout the course.
Up to about your right 3 is all fast corners. Okay? From 3 onwards, depending on your speed, you must remember, but if you do 200 kilometers an hour, a right 3 is a sharp corner, all right, believe you me.
The next big thing was learning to decode the instructions according to what's coming up next. If you don't get this part, you will lose seconds on the track and every second counts.
200 right 3 into right 9, 70, caution, hairpin, left tightens into right 5 and left 7. And I'm sure you guys will know exactly what to do.
Never.
The big thing is here that 200 right 3 into right 9, that is the important part of that instruction. We're on the 200 meters and we've got a very easy corner coming in. You always have to think combination. Right 3 easy corner into a tight corner, right 9. You've got to bring down your speed in 20 meters. Why 20 meters? Into means 20 meters.
With Leon's crash course turning into a whole lesson, I'm starting to think I should have brought my notebook like Z. But it's okay, cause I'm a laser brain. Even though we were as confused as you guys were with your road signs over the past couple of weeks, we decided to give it a shot and get behind the wheel.
Okay, grassy onto gravel, right 4, into right 6, keep left, turn, keep left, into left 9, turn left 9,
No wonder they said it's a specialized car.
Yeah.
This is not child's play.
Left 9 again. C70, turn right 9. Power it, go for it, back. Oh, okay. Into right 6, turn right 9.
Not bad, little Z, but I think it's time for me to show you how it's done.
Right 6 onto dirt.
Right 6.
Into right 6, stay left.
Right 6, stay left.
Into turn left 9.
Left 9.
Yeah. Clutch out.
Clutch out. Oh,
Left
so we
9
don't use-
again. Turn right 9 tight.
Right 9 tight. Okay.
100.
Good.
Coming up. Turn right 9 tight.
Yeah, right 9 tight.
tight. Turn right 9 left 4.
Right 9, left 4.
Yeah. Deceptive. Left 9 into grassy, yeah. That's it. Stay right to stop.
And Swoo, how was it?
Oh man, I think I was just getting better and better with every corner.
I mean, you like burn your own horn. Can we hear from the big man here who took it?
You know what? It's so difficult to say that, and I'm going to be in trouble. Doesn't matter what the.
Oh God, I'm anxious. Okay,
But in all honesty, I really think you guys were very, very even. Very well done, both of you.
Okay.
You were very quick to catch up with the car's handling, so I was quite impressed. Well done. Yeah, a little bit more training, and you guys are going to be there.
Ah, a little bit more training, Z.
A little bit more training, but I'm actually wanting you to wash your car for some reason. So can we find some like mistakes he made, because I'm not washing any car. I feel like the loser has to wash the car. Your car's a dirty, someone has to do it. Someone has to do it.
So who's the winner?
Someone has to wash the car.
Well, congratulations, my girl. You're going to wash the car.
Are you serious? I can't believe it! I can't!
I couldn't be happier. I
Well done.
trust you as an instructor.
Thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
And Z,
As you can see, Z couldn't handle the defeat, but a deal is a deal, and she had to scrub that ride.
what, have you washed the car before?
This is washing the car!
That's not how you do it, matey.
This is how you wash a car, look!